ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ओम संस्कृत व्याकरणं सेशन नंबर 103 एकशतं त्रीणि 103 अभ्यास 37 पृष्ठ क्रमांक 74 74। अद्यतन विषय अस्ति स्त्रीलिंग ऊकारान्त शब्दानि। ऊकारान्त दीर्घ ऊकारान्त स्त्रीलिंग शब्दानि। आभाजी कृपया पठतु किं भवति प्रथमः।
Badhuः, they have given the meaning as bahu. It is also used for bride, है ना? But they have given it like a daughter-in-law here. Chamuhu, सेना, दिस इज इन भगवद गीता, ये शब्द आता है। तनुः, शरीर, जम्बुः, जामुन, श्वश्रुः, सास, व्याघ्रः।
एक निमिष। So all these are ukaranta strilinga. These five: vadhuः, chamuः, तनुः, जम्बुः, श्वश्रुः, daughter-in-law, soldier, all this, army, etc. किंतु अग्रे पुल्लिंग शब्दानि, all these animals etc are पुल्लिंग। हाँ भाजी अग्रे।
ओके, व्याघ्रः, बाघ,
टाइगर।
हाँ, वृक्षः, वृक्षः ही है ना? हाँ, वृक्षः, रीच, which is also भालू, I think.
Bear, correct. हाँ।
शूकरः, सुअर, वृकः, भेड़िया,
भेड़िया, wolf.
गीदड़,
jackal, गीदड़, jackal, सुअर, pig, भेड़िया, wolf। हाँ आगे शशा।
शुगालः, गीदड़, which is eagle.
ईगल नहीं, jackal, jackal
गीदड़
है ना?
अच्छा, गीदड़ इज
jackal ना?
नॉट गरुड़, गरुड़ अलग, गीदड़ अलग ना?
हाँ हाँ हाँ, गरुड़ is गीदड़, jackal but fox जैसे jackal।
ओके, सो वृकः एंड शुगालः, स्लाइट डिफरेंस।
हाँ, वृकः वुल्फ, भेड़िया, शृगालः गीदड़, jackal।
शशः, खरगोश, रैबिट। वानरः, बंदर, मंकी। मृगः, हिरण, डियर। नकुलः, न्योला, मंगूस, आई सपोज।
यस।
अश्वः, घोड़ा, हॉर्स। वृषभः, बैल, बुल। उष्ट्रः, ऊंट, कैमल। गर्दभः, गधा, डोंकी। महिषः, भैंसा, और
बफलो,
बफेलो, बफेलो। कुक्करः, कुत्ता, डॉग।
कुक्कुरः,
मार्जरः,
कुक्कुरः,
कुक्कुरः, नॉट कुक्करः, करेक्ट। कुक्कुरः इज कुत्ता। श्वान भी कहते हैं ना?
श्वान, श्वान, श्वाह, all of them, all are fucked up.
भगवद गीता में श्वान शब्द आता है शायद।
शुनि, शुनि आता है। शुनि इज शुनि, शुनि चैव श्वपाके च पंडिताः समदर्शिनः, 5th chapter। शुनि इज सप्तमी विभक्ति एकवचनम ऑफ श्व शब्द, श्वन। सो श्वा, श्वानौ, श्वानः, that शब्द सप्तमी एकवचनम is शुनि। So all of them are correct. Shwa, Shwana, Shwanaha, everything is for dog. And Kukuraha also. Then Agre?
Kukura, dog. Marjaraha, Bilab.
Marjaraha.
Cat.
Marjara.
Marjaraha. Okay, I knew all these words slightly incorrectly. Marjaraha, Bilab, cat. Ajaha, Bakra, goat. Bakra कहा तो मेल गोट ऐसे समझना है.
Correct.
These are all masculine gender words. मूषकः चूहा mouse. एड़का भेड़ sheep.
Sheep, chotu sheep, lamb. जैसे how we say avi also, aja avi we can say. These are all pullinga because earlier of course so पूर्वे वयम् अपश्यामः महिषी for bhel, that female mahishi. Say mahishi was rani or bhais in that way. So here bhaisa is given buffalo, mahisha. My video is a little blurred, right?
No, it's fine.
Okay.
At least I can see properly.
Okay.
Yeah.
If it gets blurred or the connection drops, let me know and I will change Wi-Fi message. Astu. Vadhu. Vadhu to Shwashru Vadhuvat. Vadhu Ukaranta Strilinga. Kintu te sarve or ete sarve Vyagraha Riksha Shukraha sarve Pullinga Shabdani Santi. Shi dhatu sona, to sleep. अस्तु. व्याकरण. वधू शब्द के पूरे रूप स्मरण करो. देखो शब्द संख्या 17. 17.
Page 128.
हाँ, धन्यवाद सुंदर जी. भवानेव कृपया पठतु. धनु वधू.
वधूः वध्वौ वध्वः. वधू वध्वौ वधूः. वध्वा वधूभ्यां वधूभिः. वध्वै वधूभ्यां वधूभ्यः. वध्वाः वधूभ्यां वधूभ्यां वधूभ्यः. वध्वाः वध्वोः वधूना. वध्वा वध्वोः वधूषु. हे वधू हे वध्वौ हे वध्वः.
पंचमी षष्ठी वध्वाहा. Dvahana se Vadvaha, Vaduhu. So every time Visarga comes, it will follow the Swara. So Vadvaha. In the same way, Shwashu, Tanu, Chamu, Bhagavad Gita su किम अस्ति श्लोक प्रथमाध्याये चमू प्रथमे तृतीय श्लोक तृतीय अथवा चतुर्थ श्लोक चमूम शब्द वेलकम राइट
correct. Chamum comes, but I don't have it here.
थर्ड श्लोक पश्यैतां पांडुपुत्राणाम आचार्य महतीम चमूम चमूम द्वितीया एकवचनम जैसे वधूम सेम वे चमूम अस्तु हाँ सप्तत्रिंशत् शी धातु के दसों लकार के पूरे दसों लकारों के पूरे रूप स्मरण करो देखो धातु संख्या पंचविंशति पंचत्रिंशत् 35 है ना हाँ शी धातु लट् लकारे अवंतिका जी पठ अस्ति वा भवती पठतु कृपया लट् लकार
श्यते शायते शेरते शेषे शेयाथे शेद्वे शये शेवहे शेवहे
सत्यं धन्यवादः Shete Shayade Sherate. So in this way, etat prakare Shi Dhatu दसों लकारों में है दश लकारे सन्ति अस्ति शी धातु लोट लकारे शेताम शयाताम शेरताम शेष्व शयाताम शेध्वम शयै शयावहै शयामहै इतिवत् विधिलिङ्गि वयं पश्यामः बृहदारण्यकोपनिषदि दट् सुप्तपुरुष प्रकरणे अजातशत्रु राजा अपि च सुप्तपुरुष प्रकरणे maybe one of these words were there. Asheta, Shetam, Shayita Shayad. This I think may have been there. Shayita, Shayidatam, Shayiran, Shayitaha, Shayidatam, Shayidvam, Shayya, Shayivahi, Shayimai, Vidhilingi. Lang lakare, Asheta, Ashayatam, Asherata, Ashotaha, Ashayatam, Ashedvam, Ashayi, Ashevahi, Ashevahi.
So this is an Atmani Pada. So therefore, if we have to use it in Parasmay Pada, it will be that Swapiti or those words.
Correct, but that is not Shi Dhatu.
That is not Shi
That
Dhatu.
will be, that is which Dhatu? Swapiti if you want to use, that is Swap Dhatu.
Swap Dhatu, correct.
That is
Swapiti.
Swapna, no? Swapiti?
Swapna, but also for sleeping it is used. Swapiti is also used for sleeping. Jaise in Brihadaranyaka second chapter, we had seen Ajatashatru Maharaj. He wanted to show that Trupta Balaki, what is Atma. So he went and woke up a sleeping Purusha. There Swapiti, and also in Chandogya, Swapiti is there, right? In 8th chapter, I think Swapiti Shabda, 7th or 8th chapter, Swapiti is there. So there are indicators that Swapiti is for sleeping. अस्तु अवन्तिकाजी कृपया वदतु लृट्लकारे किं भविष्यति शी धातु
शयिष्यते शयिष्यते शयिष्यन्ते शयिता शयितारो शयितारः
न शयिता लुट् लकारे अस्ति
ओ सॉरी
अत्र प्रथमपुरुष एव अस्ति अत्र किन्तु मध्यमपुरुष अपि च उत्तमपुरुष difficult it's not easy little difficult question of course शयिष्यते 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 शयिष्यन्ते then सेवते वत् शयिष्ये शयिष्येथे शयिष्यद्वे इति वत् शयिष्येषे शयिष्याते शयिष्यद्वे शयिष्ये शयिष्येवः शयिष्ये अस्तु लुट् लकारे अवन्तिकाजी लुट् लकारे प्रथमपुरुषे एव अलं
शयिता शयितारो शयितारः
संक्षिप्तरूप दृष्ट्वा मध्यमपुरुष उत्तमपुरुष अपि सन्ति आशीर्लिङ्ग्
शयिशिष्ट
शयिशिष्ट
शयिष्यास्ताम् शयितारः
शयितारः किन्तु आशीर्लिङ्गि एकनिमिषं पश्यामि
And also, how did we define Ashirling?
आशीर्वादवचनं
Ashirvad. So this will be more like may you sleep well.
Correct.
May you have a fitful sleep or may you have a peaceful sleep.
Correct. Correct. Lakara, if you want to check here. Ashirling. Ashirvadatmak. Ashirvadatmak. Example they have given is Amritasya dharanaha bhuyasam. May you have. In that. May I have. May you have. Even in our Shanti mantras, right? Every day in Kailas ashram also something will be there. Manabhu, Panchadashi, Manabhuvam hi bhuyasam. There is one sloka right in the first chapter itself. There also. Ashiri. Shaishishta, Shaishiyatam, then Shaishiran. Shaishiran Why they have not given, I don't know. Shaishishta, Shaishiyastam, Shaishiran. In that way it will be. Lit lakare shishye shishyate shishyare. Shishye shishyate shishyadve shishyivahe shishyimahe. Little bit of a tongue twister. Lung lakare ashayishta ashayishatam ashayishata ashayishtaha ashayishatam ashayidhvam ashayishi ashayishvahi ashayishmahi. So lung lakara, lit lakara, lung lakara sarve पूर्व काले सन्ति. सामान्य भूतकाल लुंग लकार, लिट लकार परोक्ष भूतकाल, अपि च लंग लकार अनद्यतन भूतकाल. 3 bhutkals, those 3 are all similar in this way. This is not super important. More important for us, no need to memorize all that at this stage. More important iti asti, that when we see the word in mantra or shloka, we have to see which dhatu at least. We are clear on if shishishe, if this shabda comes, then this is shi dhatu. That much if we can understand, that is enough at this stage. अभ्यास 9 में दिए तृतीया के नियमों का पुनः अभ्यास करो. This very easy niyamas, but you will see very quickly. They were all very obvious niyamas. किम कार्यम अर्थः प्रयोजनम. चारों यही है ना अभ्यास में. किम कारण कार्यम अर्थः प्रयोजनम. चारों प्रयोजन अर्थ में हो तो इनके साथ तृतीया होती है. मूर्खेण पुत्रेण किम. व्हाट विल आई डू विथ मूर्ख पुत्र. किम कार्यम को अर्थः. किम प्रयोजनम. व्हाट इज द प्रयोजनम. ऑल दीज शब्द तृतीया विभक्ति. अलम, alam, bus karo. Today I think it came, right? Alam in Brihadaranyaka. Alam vivadena. Bus. Stop debating. Alam hasitena. Enough laughing. There is another way to say alam. That is what we saw in Brihadaranyaka today. But generally it will be used in Tritiya Vibhakti if Vibhakti should be used. Yenanga vikaraha. Yenanga vikaraha sutra. शरीर का जो अंग विकार से विकृत दिखाई पड़ी, उसमें तृतीया. जैसे नेत्रेण काणः, दैट इज एक आंख से काणा है वो. कारणेन बधिरः, ईयर, डेफ इन 1 ईयर. इन दैट. प्रकृत्यादिभ्यः उपसंख्यान. प्रकृति आदि क्रिया विशेषण शब्दों में तृतीया होते हैं. जैसे प्रकृत्या साधुः, स्वभाव से सरल, स्वभाव से अच्छा, वो भी बोल सकते हैं साधुः. सुखेन जीवति, लिविंग इन हैप्पीनेस, लिविंग हैप्पीली. सुखेन जीवति. दुखेन जीवति, सरलतया लिखति सर्वे. मो अनुस्वार अत्र नास्ति. मो अनुस्वार संधि सूत्र अस्ति, अत्र नास्ति. So most of these words you see, we are very lucky and blessed because it seems like every abhyasa we have some shabda that is coming in other pathas. In Brihadaranyaka, in Katha, somewhere some shabda is always linking up. So things are meant to be. We saw alam today in Brihadaranyaka, we see alam today in Sanskrit also. And now important sutra has come. Maybe in Vedanta, if we were to make an observation, kasmin sutrani santi Vedanteshu or Vedanta Grantheshu. In Vedanta Granthas, this samana kartrikayoho purvakale, maybe it is the most referenced sutra, potentially. Of course, Sandhi sutras are all there. Ad gunaha, iko yanachi, all these sutras everywhere, sarve santi. Kintu samana kartrikeyoh purvakale Vedanteshu bahu, in the sense, many places it comes. Bahuni vyathitani santi. Bahuni mantrani sutrani samana kartrikeyoh purvakale iti sutrasya sahara nayanti. They take support of this sutra. Samana kartrikeyoh purvakale. For example, Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, Mahavakya 1.4.10. ब्रह्म वा idamagrasi tadatmanamevavet aham brahmasmi iti. That mantra, immediately after there was one shabda, pashyan pratipede. Pashyan pratipede. Dekhe, he saw and entered. Or for example, in Taittiriya Upanishad, when Srishti Prakaranam, generally when Srishti Prakaranam comes, this sutra will come. In Taittiriya Upanishad 2.6, Brahmananda Valli, Tat Srishtva Tadeva Anupravishat. Paramatma first created and then entered. In that way it is given. Tat Srishtva Tadeva Anupravishat. In the same way, Pashyan Pratipede, Brihadaranyaka Upanishad also. Wherever we see Srishti Prakarana, generally this sutra will come. Samana Kartrikeho Purvakale. What is this sutra? This sutra number is 3421, I think. I will just check. Yes. No. Sorry. 3421. 3.4.21. Samana Kartrikeho Purvakale. पढ़कर, लिखकर आदि के कर या कारक के अर्थ में, कर या कर के अर्थ में क्त्वा प्रत्यय होता है. सो दिस इज क्त्वा प्रत्यय. जैसे तद सृष्ट्वा तदेवानुप्राविशत, तैत्तिरीय उपनिषद. तद सृष्ट्वा, सृष्ट धातु, सर्ष धातु, क्त्वा प्रत्यय. सृज धातु, क्त्वा प्रत्यय. सृष्ट्वा, क्त्वा, सो सृज प्लस क्त्वा, सृष्ट्वा. इन दैट वे. Drishtva, Drishtvaimam Swajanam Krishna, Arjuna I think says in Gita. So these kinds of shabdas will come. Having done, ye karke, so Paramatma, Sarjan, that is Srishtva, creation, ye karke, Anupravishat, andar, Anupravish kiya. Anupravish is the Dvitiya dhatu. प्रथम धातु सृज धातु, द्वितीय धातु अनुप्राविशत. There will be two धातुs most of the time. ये जैसे ये पढ़कर लिखा और ये सुनकर पूछा, अथवा ये पढ़कर गया. In that way we can have two dhatus. That kar is tva pratyaya, having done. Even in one recent class also, in Vedanta class last week, Tva Pratyaya Rupa had come, maybe in Siddhanta Bindu or something had come. Padkar, likhkar, I was not listening properly, but something had come that time. Padkar, likhkar, ye sab kar. So when you say kar, ye karke, that karke is samana kartake ho purvakal. Tva का त्वा शेष रहता है. जैसे सृष्ट्वा, त्वा, दृष्ट्वा, पठित्वा, लेखित्वा, इन दैट. क्रिया का कर्ता एक ही होना चाहिए. क्रिया का कर्ता एक ही करता है, लेकिन दो कार्य. सो प्रथम कार्य त्वा अव्यय होता है, अतः इसके रूप नहीं चलते. सो त्वा इज अव्यय. सो दृष्ट्वा, आफ्टर दृष्ट्वा इट विल नॉट बी दृष्ट्वा दृष्ट्वे दृष्ट्वाः इतिवत् कोऽपि नास्ति. देयर इज नथिंग, कोई नहीं है ऐसे. दृष्ट्वा दैट्स ऑल. त्वा प्रत्यय अव्यय. जैसे भोजनम. बट फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वाई दे हैव सेड दिस? बिकॉज अर्लियर वी सा शत्र प्रत्यय, शाणच प्रत्यय, त्वाक्त प्रत्यय, क्तवतु प्रत्यय, ऑल दीज हैड रूप. जैसे पठितवान, पठितवती, पठितवत, दिस इज शाणच प्रत्यय और क्तवतु प्रत्यय. All these pratyas had rupa for each linga. Pullinga rupa, Strilinga rupa, Napusalinga rupa. Tva pratyaya nasti. Nothing. Anybody does anything, that is tva only. Drishtva, Srishtva, Patitva, whatever. Gatva. Many examples they have given. Tva avyaya hota. जैसे भोजनं खादित्वा विद्यालयं गच्छति. So प्रथम कार्य खादित्वा, द्वितीय कार्य गच्छति. भोजनं खादित्वा विद्यालयं गच्छति. अहं पठित्वा आश्रमं गच्छामि. अहं many other.
We can't have that. Patitva, after reading and going to the ashram.
Yeah.
Do a bit of prep.
Yes, that's right.
Yes,
So Patitva, of course, whether we do it or not, but Patitva gacchami. In that way, we can say. So Patitva agacchati. Like, so Vyakaranam Patitva Vedanta Kakshayam agacchati. That we can say. Vedanta Kakshayam agacchati.
So can you say Patitva Patitum gacchami? So
yes.
You read and then you go with that ichha to study as well.
Yes, you can say. You can say patitva api patitum or anupatitum gacchami. I want to go again to read or again more to study. In that way, some avyaya shabda can be added to reduce confusion. But that is possible. Patitva patitam gacchami is correct. Then there is another sutra for alam. So this is the 3418. Few sutras before. Alam khalvoho pratishedayoho Thankva. My handwriting is terrible. Alankalvoho pratishedev prachangtva. So alam and khalu shabda. This sutra is saying when you have alam shabda and khalu shabda, निषेधार्थक अलम या खलु बाद में हो तो धातु से क्त्वा प्रत्यय होता. सो इफ देयर इज अलम, जैसे स्टॉप, इनफ. खलु आल्सो मत करो, डोंट डू. जैसे अलंकृत्वा, कृत्वा खलु, मत करो. अलंकृत्वा, वी शुड नॉट बी कंफ्यूजिंग विद अलंकार. अलंकारम कृत्वा, अलम कृत्वा, दैट वे इफ यू से देयर विल बी कंफ्यूजन. अलम कृत्वा, don't do. Alankaram kritva, that way we can say. Alankritva also maybe will be there. Kritva. In that way there will be some changes. Or it can be the same word also. Actually, many places the same word will be there. Just say, in Upanishad we have seen this. Prarabdham Shabda will come. Prarabdham, same, everything is same. That sentence formation will be similar, spelling is same, dhatu, vibhakti, vachanam, everything is same, but prarabdham has two meanings. One is prarabdha karma. Second is after finishing, after beginning, arabdham kritva, prarabdham. So sometimes there will be words which have the same meaning, but you have to see the context and understand. So alankritva, it can be, sometimes they may use, but generally not to be confused. That is the important bit. Alam kritva. Alam hasitva mathaso. I don't know why they have to give such examples, but anyway. Alam you can use for all. Patitva, alam patitva, you can say alam kritva, alam hritva, alam dhritva, all that. Don't be violent, etc. देखो अभ्यास 38 अष्टात्रिंशत् अग्रे पश्चात् अभ्यासः अस्ति. नियम 135 135. क्त्वा प्रत्यय लगाकर रूप बनाने के लिए ये नियम स्मरण कर ले. किमस्ति नियम? हाँ, अभाजी कृपया पठतु इति अत्र.
जी, धातु को गुण या वृद्धि नहीं होती. सेठ धातुओं में ई लगेगा, अनिट में नहीं. जैसे पठित्वा, हसित्वा, कृत्वा, धृत्वा, धृत्वा, लिखित्वा, रुदित्वा, जित्वा, चित्वा, भूत्वा.
सत्यं, बहु सम्यक्. अत्र सेठ धातु किमस्ति दृष्टान्तः?
These are the ones जिसमें ई लगा है.
कस्मिन् अस्ति? एक दृष्टान्त लिखित्वा. अपि च अनिट धातु दृष्टान्त किं भवति? सत्यं. So this is an easy way to understand what is set and anit. Earlier there was that question and there was a little confusion. Set, anit, that is all. Ikara will come here. What is it? Swara is added. So patitva, hasitva. So pat dhatu will become set dhatu.
Based on the form, we are saying this is set. But
Correct.
Not based on the memory, not from the knowledge. Just by citing, we are able to say.
But you can say by knowledge also, right? Like pat or यहाँ पे दृष्ट धातु नहीं है ना, so दृष्ट धातु will be set or anit.
दृष्ट्वा.
So that is
anit.
correct.
Anit.
So that is by knowledge, right? We are not saying. So that way we can say. You can see the form and say, but that is
by practice आपको फिर memorize हो जाता है.
correct.
Say practice.
हाँ. So then you will not say darshitva and then oh it is safe. That confusion will not come. Drishtva is there in so many places you have seen drishtva. So it is happening. अस्तु नियम एक शतम पंचविंशति के प्रथम तृतीय चतुर्थ पंचम यहाँ पर भी लगेंगे. We don't have to see, we can see later, but all the same sutra they are going to give. So there is no great difference. Tva pratyaya, how it follows. That is what they want to say. So hritva, labdva, rudva. There is a sutra here. Actually, maybe we can see. Maybe it is better to see. This was in Shabhyasa Trayastrimshat 32 Dvatrimshat. This one एकशतम पंचविंशति. धातु के गुण या वृद्धि होता है नहीं, ले सेट में ई लगता है, अनिट में नहीं. दिस इज द सेम थिंग दैट वी हैव सीन देयर. सो कृ कृतः अथवा कृत्वा, कृत्वा धृत्वा भूत्वा भृत्वा पठित्वा लिखित्वा, सेम थिंग. स प्रत्यय त्वा प्रत्यय. रुदाभ्याम निष्ठातो नः. रुदाभ्याम निष्ठातो नः says re plus ta will become takara will become nakara. रुदाभ्याम निष्ठातो नः पूर्वस्य च दः. That is a full sutra. 8242. Takara becomes nakara. The plus the न, नकार को नकार हो जाता है. र या ईर या ईद के बाद तकार को नकार हो जाता है. सो शीर्ण, तीर्ण, तीर्थ्वा, गीत्वा, कीर्त्वा, same thing. Whatever there is ktha pratyaya you can say for tva pratyaya also, but we'll see the examples anyway so that we don't make mistakes. They have given all the rupas in different places, so we can just see this page only, because otherwise you get confused. Hritva, labdhva, rudva. Hritva, hridhatu. Same thing they have given here, repeat. Labdhva, kasmin dhatu asti? Labdhva? Labha. Labha. Dirgha. Bha becomes hrasva. B, small b, because of labdhva, that jalan jashanti, because dhakara is coming afterwards. So because dhakara comes, bha will become b. In that way, jalam jashanti, in other places actually it is coming later on. There is a better example, but anyway, labdhva will become labdhva. Labdhatu, labdhva. Rudhatu, rudhva. Ditva, sitva, mitva, sthitva. So each they are giving one example for each of the rules. For example, hritva, labdhva, drudhva. This, there is one sutra that we saw yesterday also. Jashas tator dho daha. Dhakara becomes dirgha dhakara. Rudha dhatu mein the dakara also comes. So it's like how labdhatu, dakara is not there, but when you form the rupa, there will become dha, labdhva, labdhva in that way. Labha will become labdhva. That dakara comes from jashas tator dho daha. Sutra number 8 to 40 and 8 to 39, jalan jashanti. That labha will become lab. Ditva, sitva, mitva, sthitva. Ditva, sitva, mitva, sthitva for different dhatus. Like stha dhatu will become sthitva. Ikara has come. Then gatva, gam dhatu gatva, ram dhatu ratva, yam yatva, nam natva, natva. In our Shanti mantra etc. natva shabda comes. Matva, hatva, bhadva. All this is part of the sutra called Anudattopadesha that we had seen in 33. Anudattopadesha vanati tano. Abhyasa 32, when we saw this ktha pratyaya, this sutra had come. Anudattopadesha vanati tano tyadinam anunasika lopa. Anunasika gets lopa. In gum, ma is anunasika. Makara will get lopa. Ram, makara will get lopa. Nam, makara gets lopa and becomes natva, gatva, etc. That makara lopa sutra is that anudattopadesha vanatitano tyadinam anunasika lopo 6437. Then another sutra. So you see, I'm just going to say, I'm saying all the sutras to know, to demonstrate that there is importance for the sutras and they have different roles. And you see the same sutra has worked across pratyayas. So this is another point. Kta pratyaya, ktabatu pratyaya, ktva pratyaya. Same, this one sutra will work across all. And yesterday tumun pratyaya, jashastatordodaha, again it is coming tva pratyaya. So one pratyaya need not have only one sutra. One sutra can work on multiple pratyayas. It is about that rupa only. Jan आदि में ई भी लगता है. जन धातु will become जनित्वा, सम धातु सनित्वा, खन धातु खनित्वा, in that way. Ikara comes from a sutra called Jana Sana Khanam Sanjaloho. Only for Jan, San and Khan. Only for these three dhatus that sutra will work. Jana Sana Khanam Sanjaloho. Sutra 6442. Then there is a favorite sutra of ours and in our Swamiji classes also this comes a lot. Uktva, Suptva, Ishtva, Ushtva, Grihitva, Vidva, Vishtva, Hatva, Udva, Uditva, Ushitva. What is the sutra? First you see what has happened, right? So you can take any shabda, think of the dhatu, from that dhatu how this shabda has come. And based on that karya you will get the sutra. For example, Uktva.
It's like Ukti and because the E is coming to work.
So yes.
Eco-energy, will return to word.
Yes, but here there is no eco-energy. For Sandhi Sutra you can say. Here there is no Sandhi as such. Uktva is Sam Dhatu plus Tva Pratyaya. Like how Patitva is Patidhatu plus Tva Pratyaya. In that way, Uktva is Sam Dhatu plus Tva Pratyaya. Which Dhatu?
After speaking. So Uktva will be after having spoken. So it can be Vad Dhatu. It should be Vad Dhatu.
Vach Dhatu. Vad will become Uditva. Vach Dhatu, because the Chakara, it will become Kakara through Choho Kuhu. Yesterday we saw that sutra, right? Choho Kuhu. Choho Kuhu, Chakara becomes Kakara. So that is why we know it is Vach Dhatu. But now the question comes, Vach Dhatu has become Uktva. Why? Why should it not be Vachitva or something else?
Has become U, so that is Samprasarana.
Correct. Wonderful. And the sutra? There are two Samprasaranam sutras, major sutras for Samprasaranam. So for Sandhi we saw about 30 major sutras, right? You can think this way. For Sandhi we saw about 30-35 major sutras. And actually there are many that we have not seen, that we will see later maybe. Many, maybe 15-20 that we have not seen. So Sandhi sutras are there. Then Pratyaya, there are about 40-50 major sutras. We are seeing all the important ones. Like Nishtha Pratyaya, Taktavatu Nishtha, Nich Pratyaya, that Satyapapasha Rupa Veena Tula Shloka Sena Loma Tvacha Varma Varana Churna Churadibhyo Nich. That is Nich Pratyaya. So each Pratyaya there is one Vidhayaka Sutra. And for Tumun we saw Tumun Valo Kriyayam Kriyarthayam yesterday. So there is a Vidhayaka Sutra for each. So Pratyaya we can say that way. Sandhi Sutra, Pratyaya Sutra, then Samprasaranam. Because these are all Karyam. These are all different karyam on shabda. Sandhi sutra, sutrani santi. Pratyaya sutrani santi. Samprasarana sutrani dve eva. Dve mukhya eva. 6.1.15. 6.1.15. Vachi swapi yajadinam kiti. So vach dhatu संप्रसारण संप्रसारणे पश्चात वच धातु किं भविष्यति संप्रसारणं पश्चात उक्त्वा वच धातु उक्त्वा उ त्वा प्रत्ययान्ते उक्त्वा अस्ति और क्त प्रत्यय अस्ति उक्तः उवाच लिट् लकारे उवाच श्री भगवान उवाच दैट सेम थिंग वचता सुप्त्वा swap. So verb will become u everywhere. In samprasaranam, vakara ukara bhavati. Eco energy opposite. In eco energy, ukara will become vakara. And e will become ya. Iti asya ityasya. That is eco energy. In samprasaranam, opposite. Ya will become u. So ya will become e. So for example, yajdhatu, you see, yajdhatu has become ishtva, opposite of eco energy. Vachidhatu will become uktva. So that way we can see for vachi swapi ajadinam kiti. So same thing, vachidhatu, swapadhatu, yajdhatu, vachi swapi yajadi. That is what they have given here. Vach swap yaj yajadinam kiti. They are following. Rachananu Komati has definitely a method. They are not given all the sutras, but they have a very good method. They are following that method.
Sorry, what was the second sutra for Samprasarana?
Immediate after sutra. 6116. That is called Grahijya. You found Sundarji. Grahijya then, or anyone else also. Grahijya. I think in the last year, Swamiji must have asked this sutra 7-8 times, at least. But I can remember. So there may be more that I cannot remember. Grahijya, Vayi, Vyadhi, Vashti, Vichati, Vrishchati, Pruchati, Brujjati, Nam, Niti cha. This is the sutra. You can see on the screen. Vachi, Prathama Sutra. Vachi Swapi Ajadinam Kiti. This was the first sutra. Okay. Then second sutra, immediate. So here on the top left, I will just press the right arrow. Goes to the next one. This is the sutra. Grahijya Vaivyadi Vashti Vichati Vrishchati Prichati Brijjatina Niticha. So there is another way when you say, for example, this button when you say, it gives the that person comes and talks also. So you can see that may help as well.
How to say? Akarsha, we don't have these sutras that we just saw in our document, do we?
Which document?
The Vyakarana, Sanskrit Vyakarana ka jo, it only has Sandhi.
That long 84 page. That is only for Sandhi. No, actually, so what happened, I've not experienced this obviously because this is all Chinmaya Mission documents. But when they studied only Sandhi and only Sandhi Sutras. So they had one document for only Sandhi Sutras. Then later they studied.
That we always have to go into Ashtadhyayi and look up, right?
For Pratyaya, yeah, but we should make one. So how we made that one for Sandhi Sutras, that one because you see the 84 page document is very good, but it is not easy to read. We need all things in a smaller place that is quick to access, like the table that we made. So the table we made, if we can add to the Sandhi Sutras one, I will show. I hope everyone remembers the table. If not, we will see here. So what we need is something like this for Pratyayas as well. Where is that Sandhi table? This one, right? Sandhi Vichara. This table. Anuswar Sandhi, Mo Anuswara, Sutra number plus example. So what we can potentially give is reduce the Drishtanta shloka, because we have given shlokas, right, for each sutra. Each sutra has Bhagavad Gita reference or some reference. Instead of this, we can give vritti. Mo Anuswara, sutra number vritti, or sutra number, sutra nama vritti. And the same thing that must be done is for pratyaya. So instead of Mo Anuswara, we can say for nama, instead of Anuswara, first we say Kta pratyaya. Mo Anuswara ke badle, we say sutra, instead of sutra, you say Ktaktavatu Nishta. Sutra number, whatever it is, 126 or something. And Drishtanta, Kta pratyaya. Here also there will be some Drishtanta somewhere. Some Drishtanta will definitely be there. So that Drishtanta. And Vritti. If we can make this kind of document, it is very valuable. Very, very valuable. And then something longer maybe if necessary, like that pratyaya document. Then it is so easy to access, which sandhi, which sutra, vritti, etc.
Because a lot of times when people recite sutras, I try to browse through the document, but I don't find anything.
Yes, so there is another reason for that. Because the document does not always record Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi Vritti. But people chant Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi Vritti. This is the difference. That document records the ashtadhyayi.com Vritti.
Okay.
Because ashtadhyayi.com Vritti is easier to understand, the language is easier, simpler. But Laghu Vritti is what we actually should be chanting from a purist kind of point of view. So that Laghu Vritti is not always in that document. So why such a table will be really valuable is if I can have all the sutra number, sutra nama, sutra vritti, sutra example. I'm good. In one table I am done, I don't need anything more. That's all I need. And if I have 2-3 examples, I just see it in one place and I can take this 2-page document anywhere. So the same way we did for Sandhi, the one example, the one addition we should do for Sandhi is Laghu Vritti, and the same can be reproduced for Pratyaya. This way we will have a good resource, and such a resource I have not seen anywhere online also. So other people studying may also benefit from such things, something like this. Astu. So the same, this Samprasarana we have seen, Uktva, Suktva, Ishtva, Ukva, Grihitva, Grahijya. Grah dhatu will become Gr. Ra will become R. E becomes Ya. U becomes Va. Or Va becomes U. Ya becomes E. Ra becomes R. This is Samprasarana. So Grahi will become Gruhi. Grihitva. So those two sutras for Samprasaranam. Niyama ekashatam dvatrimshat इति अत्र तृतीय चतुर्थ यहाँ भी लगते हैं द्वाप्श नियम एक द्वात्रिंशत् अस्ति लास्ट अच्छा द लास्ट पूर्वाभ्यास दैट वी डिड विथ तुमुन प्रत्यय एकशतम द्वात्रिंशत् के तृतीय चतुर्थ सो तृतीय इज धातु के अंतिम च और ज को ईक हो जाता है दिस इज फ्रॉम एनीवन रिमेंबर्स व्हिच सूत्र च को क चकार बिकम्स ककार कस्मिन् सूत्र नहीं उक्तम इज संप्रसारणम करेक्ट वच बिकेम हाँ सत्य करेक्ट एब्सोल्युटली बट सूत्र नेम नाम सूत्र नाम इज चोहो कुहु This sutra, this comes a lot, In Siddhanta Bindu, I think 3-4 times it has come. Choho kuku. Chakara will become kakara. 8 to 30. The ko it will happen through that sutra that we saw. Jashash sator do daha. जैसे पक्तुम भोक्तुम भुज धातु भोक्तुम पच धातु पक्तुम वच धातु उक्तम सेम चतुर्थ धातु के अंतिम छ और ईश तथा भ्रश्च सो दिस इज दैट सूत्र व्रश्च भ्रश्च सृज मृज यज राज भ्राज झशाम चह That sutra says all this cha, dirgha, each cha, this will become, and sha will become this way. So brush will become brasja, srij will become srishta, tad srishtva. Srishtva में धातु है सृज. Jakara becomes shakara through vrascha bhrascha. Long sutra. So those two niyamas again will apply here. That is what they are saying. Here in this niyama, ekashatam dvatrimshat, paktva, paktva bhuktva, paktva bhuktva. What dhatu for paktva? Pach. And bhuktva? Bhuj. And sutra?
Just now, the one that we did.
Kaha? Choho? Choho kuhu. हाँ, सत्यम. Choho kuhu. That sutra is made. Pach to paktva. Cha ka. Choho kuhu. Agre. Prishtva, drishtva, ishtva, srishtva. Prishtva, kasmin dhatu? Prichha. हाँ. दृष्ट्वा कस्मिन् धातु? इष्ट्वा. इष्ट्वा. Okay, not isht or not, and not yuj. Which one will it be? I'll give an example. Swarga kamo darshapurnabhyam yajeta. Yaj dhatu. Yaj samprasaranam na. Ya becomes e. जैसे e को एनर्जी के opposite.
I had said yajna. Did I say something else?
You said yuj, right?
Ichhati. Acha.
हाँ.
Yaj.
हाँ. अवंतिका जी किमस्ति?
Ichhati. Means ishtva.
Ichhati, you can say ich dhatu, but here it is yaj dhatu, kintu samprasaranam asti atra. Ya becomes e. Ich also you will get ishtva, you will get for this. You can check that quickly. For ich dhatu kaha sutra, kaha rupa asti. But ich dhatu actually is ish dhatu. इच्छति बोलते हैं ना हम, इच्छति, that is actually ish. So ish will become ishtaha and इच्छति in that way. So here ish you can say or yaj you can say. Yaj you can say because दो तीन अभ्यास से यज ही आ रहा है. Yaj will become ishtva in that way they are given. अस्तु अग्रे. सृष्ट्वा कस्मिन् धातु अस्ति? सृष्ट्वा सृज. हाँ, सृज. धा सूत्र. Sutra is the difficult sutra for सृज.
Every sutra is difficult for me. Memory नहीं काम करता है मेरा.
Come on, Chohoku is not difficult.
जलाम जशवंती.
हाँ, जलाम जशवंती सत्यम, किंतु that is for sandhi. जलाम जशवंती is for sandhi. That is correct. It is not wrong. संधि सूत्र जलाम जशवंती, किंतु प्रत्यय सूत्र भ्रश्च भ्रश्च सृज, that सृज सृष्ट्वा. भ्रश्च, this one. Vrsh.
8
हाँ, 8 to 36.
8 to 36.
vrश्च भ्रश्च सृज मृज यज राज भ्राज छशाम shaha. That end you see chasham shaha. Cha and sha will become sha. So ish dhatu ishtva, ich ishtva. That is also correct what Avantika ji said. That also will be correct because here they have said cha will become shaha. So ich that you can say. So all cha, ja, all of these will become shakara. And yaj dhatu also here it is yaj raja. This yaj. Yaj will become ishtva. Yaj. Vrashja, Brasja, Srija, Srija, Srishtva, Mrija, Yaja, Ishtva. All of that they have given. अस्तु. गा पा के आ के ई हो जाता है. So गा will become गी, गीत्वा. Pa पीत्वा. There is one sutra, guma stha ga pa. That is why stha also becomes, stha rupa will be, what will stha rupa be? Because akara will become ikara. That is the same as pa becomes pitva, ga becomes gitva, a to e. Although there it is rasva e, here it is dirgha e. Guma stha ga pa. There is one sutra. Guma stha ga pa.
So it can become both rasva and dirgha e. Is it?
But there is a sutra for dirgha separately. For hasva separately when it comes. And they will also say stha dhatu will go along with this group. Ditva, sitva, mitva. There they can include stha dhatu. But yes, a to e and e. Here, this sutra. But there is a sutra specifically for ikara, hrasva, and specifically for dirgha also. Generally, they will not be included. Here, you may find some exceptions.
Do we know the number for the ikara?
Yes, it is 6466. So you see, a lot of these will either be 6.4 or 8.2. Pani Maharishi has written that way. In 6466, 6462, this one. Guma stha ga pa. Jahati sam hali. So you see all these examples are in diyate. It is there, right? Ditva. Ditva, diyate, ditva. Nemiyate, sthiyate. Sthiyate will become sthitva. In fact, just to make sure what sutra that is for Abhaji's question, we can find this. Stha dhatu kridante tva pratyaya. So this is how, right? We search for tva pratyaya. So you see, dyatisyati. This dyatisyati masta mittikiti. This sutra also makes small hrasva ikara. And dirgha ikara comes from guma stha ga pa. But stha dhatu is in both. So depending on what rupa it is, whether it is tva pratyaya, whether it is kta pratyaya or sthiyate, nich pratyaya, whichever rupa it is, based on that rupa you have to quote whichever sutra. So for some pratyayas there is one sutra, for some pratyayas there is another sutra. Saman, you see, samana kartrikyoho purvikale, they have given here. Stha, tva pratyaya, vidhayaka sutra is this. Samana kartrikyoho purvikale. Tva pratyaya, dyatisyati sa. Dyatisyati mastha mittikiti. That is for sthi. Stha to sthi. Hrasva e. That is through dyatisyati. And dirgha e is through this gumastha gapa jahati samhali. So that specificity also we can say. Generally, they will be different only. Ikara, ikara. Sometimes they will be the same sutra. Gitva, pitva, stitva. Anyatra a रहता है. In other places, jnatva, tratva. For this jnatva, tratva also, the sutra have not given. I also don't know, so we have to search. But jnatva, jna janor ja. Jan dhatu will become jnatva. Jna janor ja has come 3 times in this week in Vedanta. Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Sarasangraha and Siddhanta Bindu. 3 times, thrice it has come. Jan dhatu will become jnatva. Jna janor ja. And other dhatus also. Jna dhatu also here. Correct. Janati. That jna dhatu ja. Sorry, jna to ja. Not ja to jna. Jna to ja. That dhatu is here. That sutra is working here. Dhirga r ko ir ho jata hai. So tru will become tirtva. Having crossed. They say samsara sagaran tirtva. Samsara sagaran tirtva moksham lapsyamahe. Or something you can say. Moksham labhati. Samsara sagaran tirtva moksham labhati. That should be correct. So tru tirtva, kru kirtva, pru, not again, pirtva. May ur ho, to purtva, sorry. Pru will become purtva. That is the difference. This sutra we saw yesterday also. Adecha upadeshe ashiti. Somebody had chanted recently. Someone had chanted in the beginning of our Pradhanika 2-3 days ago. Adecha upadeshe ashiti. They chanted. You can say Adesha Upadeshe Shiti. Avagraha comes. That Adecha Upadeshe Shiti 6.145, that sutra makes this change. You see, Adesha Upadeshe Shiti, that will make Tru will become Tirtva that way. So for each karya there is one sutra. Kram, Kam, Kram, Cham, Dam, Bram, Shram के दो रूप होते हैं. एक ई बीच में लगाकर दूसरा अम का आन बनाकर. जैसे कम विल बिकम कमित्वा, देन विल बिकम कामत्वा. फर्स्ट क्रमित्वा इकार, देन आम को आन. क्राम विल बिकम क्रान, क्रांत्वा, अम को आन. शमित्वा शांत्वा. दैट इज व्हाई शम धातु विल बिकम शांति. व्हेन वी से शांति, that is sham dhatu of shamadama uparati titiksha. That same thing is linked. Sham to shanti comes from this sutra. Kramaschak tvi 6418. That is the first sutra. So that sutra makes that kram will become krami, but then krami should also become krantva. So you see here also there again samana kartrikeyo purvakale udito va for kram plus tva. Tva will become tva. Then kramaschak tvi, this sutra that we are seeing. And then these two we have seen. Naschapadantasya jhali and anuswarasya parasarna we saw in Sandhi Sutras, I think, both. I think we saw at the end of the book, both Sandhi Sutras are there. But there is also one more sutra, Sandhi Sutra, that we saw. Yesterday, I think this came in class. This sutra, the question had come. Rori and Dralope Purvasya Dirghonaha, they come together. They are sisters or brothers. Sutraha is Pullinga. They are brothers. Both sutras will come together. So, example, Punar. This is a Prasiddha example. Punar Ramate. First, Rakara will go away through Rori. Then will come A through Dalope Purvasya Dirghonaha. We had seen this at the end of the book, at the end of Sandhi Prakarana, about 1 month ago. Naschapadantasya jali, Dalope Purvasya Dirghonaha. The other one, Anuswarasya Parasavarnaha. All those sutras we had seen in Sandhi Prakarana. I hope it is not all going over the head, because we have seen a lot of sutras today. But just to demonstrate that there are important sutras often asked in Vedanta classes and having some actual relevance for Vedanta Shabdas. And that is coming in Tva. इन धातुओं को ये रूप होता है दा दत्वा दत्वा धा हित्वा हा जोड़कर हित्वा अध जगद्वा दह दग्द्वा. There are sutras for each. Like for ha hitva hodaha. There are many. Anunasikasya, antikasya, niti. These are not important, that important. But the important ones we have seen. Samana kartakayoho purvakale. Samprasaranam 2 sutras. Then this Sham Shanti, that sutra is important. Of Kramascha Tvi. Then before that, Labdva Jalam Jashonte. So there are some important sutras that we have. This Stitva and Sthi. Stitva is that Hrasva Ikara that comes through that Dyatisyati Masta Nittikiti. This one. Dyatisyati Masta Nittikiti. Stha will become Sthi. Then Gumastagapa. That Ta will become Ti, Dirghai. in the beginning, these are all going to sound so new because these kinds of shabdas we have never seen in any shloka, mantra. It doesn't even sound Sanskrit sometimes. It sounds like some other language. Kintu naisha doshaha. There is no problem. After samskarat paschat saralaha asti. Samskarena saralo bhavati. This requires abhyasa sanskara. That is all. So in the beginning, if we can't memorize, no problem. Naisha dosha. Paschat saralo asti. Astu.
Okay, we have 5 seconds.
We have to go.
Yeah.
Shvaha abhyasa practice. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashyagatav Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavadvyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Om